Hi, I'm James with Propel Orthodontics. I'm here working with Dr. Wilcox at Bull Mountain Orthodontics, and we're here to cover some basic tips and tricks about your VPRO Plus. This is the VPRO Plus from Propel. It comes in its own wireless charging case. It does have a nice little blue covered lid over here, and then impressions in the case that show where the how the VPRO is supposed to be stored and charged. This is the mouthpiece, the C-shaped mouthpiece, sits in like so. And then the VPRO Plus vibrating unit drops in right here where it connects to the wireless charging pad to charge it up. There is a micro USB port on here. When making sure to charge properly, make sure this is set in with the mouthpiece detached. So not like this was not going to work. You need to detach it and set it in like this. And if you want to store your mouthpiece, plug it in right here. A micro USB cord plugs in here, and then make sure it plugs on the other side of the wall. If you happen to lose your micro USB cord, any other micro USB cord you have in your household will be just fine. And you can always pick one up at a gas station for $5 or something like that, just to make sure you meet your needs in the meantime. It does take about 6 hours to get a full charge, but once you're using it, you only need to use it 5 minutes a day at the minimum with your aligners in. We most recommend that you wear them 5 minutes a day with your aligners in right before going to bed, so that you have your aligners in for the maximum amount of time. So let this take care, use the mechanics it does to get the aligners to move as best as possible. What it's essentially doing is vibrating the aligners so they have better grip and better traction, while at the same time stimulating a better cellular process so that your bones remodel a little easier and your teeth move a little bit faster. So for using it 5 minutes a day, but then how often do we charge it? Well, it should be about once a week. About every 7 days, you might find that you'll recharge it. But again, if you just leave it on the nightstand at night, it'll always be reliable and there for you. The VPRO Plus itself is waterproof, so if you decide that you want to brush your teeth in the shower or use this while you're in the shower, you absolutely can. But please note that the charging case is not waterproof and would not survive a submerging of anything. I personally will use Dawn dish soap for washing this to keep it clean if I feel like it's getting a little bit grungy or if it's been handled by somebody else. But you should also know that when biting upon it, you want to turn it on, but you don't want to bite so hard that you're clamping. Just put it in and gently hold and let it complete its 5-minute cycle. It will end on its own when it's time to finish. But it's specifically important that you do not want to clamp. You actually want to be able to bite on the mouthpiece, and then that's about it. So if you can hold it and have it disconnect, that's as hard as you will bite. If you find that your jaw's getting tired, you're biting too hard. If you're marking the mouthpiece, you're biting too hard. If your eyes are weird, you have headaches, you're biting too hard. So that's the last thing I'd like to remind you guys, is just be gentle with your bite. Just bite it so you can feel that it's vibrating inside your teeth and not trying to vibrate your whole head. Thanks so much. This has been James with Propel Orthodontics, working with Dr. Wilcox at Bull Mountain Orthodontics, and I hope you enjoy your VPRO Plus experience.